In this video, we'll walk through how to set up the Sales Commissions app. We'll start with the assisted setup. Here, I'll add the default sales commission number, which ensures each commission entry gets a unique ID. I'll also select a default agent number. Next, I'll decide whether to automatically calculate commissions on sales credit memos by turning on the Calculate Sales Credit Memo Commissions toggle. If it's turned off, you'll need to calculate those commissions manually through the Commissions Journal. I'll also enable the Sales Document Agents Editable toggle so that agents can be changed directly on sales documents. Now I'll select the General Journal template and batch that will be used for posting commission entries to the General Ledger. Next, I'll choose the source of the posting date used when paying commissions. This determines whether commissions are paid in the same period they're calculated or a different one. The default is Commission Entry Post Date, which pays the commission based on the date the commission was posted. If this option is selected, commissions need to be posted before the commission period is closed. The other option is Work Date, which pays the commission using the work date. If this option is selected, commissions can be posted after the commission period is closed. I'll keep the default selection. I'll turn on the Require Sales Document Fully Paid toggle, which ensures commissions are only paid once the related sales document has been fully paid. There's also an option to require the sales document to be paid by its due date to qualify for the commission. I'll leave that turned off. All of these settings can be changed later from the Sales Commissions Setup page if needed. With setup done, let's look at how to organize the items, agents, and customers that will use commissions. To make this easier, I'll create commission groups. For example, I've set up a sausage item commission group and agent commission groups for retailers and wholesalers. You can also create customer commission groups, but I'll leave that blank in this demo. Now I'll assign the item commission group to items. On the item card, go to the Prices and Sales Fast tab and select the item commission group. Repeat this for all items that should be eligible for commission. Next, I'll set up the agents who will earn commissions. Agents can be either internal salespeople or vendors. In this example, I'll choose a salesperson. When using a salesperson, make sure they also have an employee card with values in the salesperson purchaser code and employee posting group fields. I'll also assign the retailer's agent commission group so I can later apply a commission to the group instead of individual agents. You can see I've already set up several other agents. Agents can be linked to customers, which will automatically associate the agent with sales documents created for that customer. To do that, open the customer card, choose Customer Agents, and add the appropriate agent. Now let's create a commission. On the Commissions page, I'll select New. I'll add a description. I'll leave the currency code blank to pay in local currency. Note that the commission currency must match the currency on the sales document, or the commission won't apply. I'll enter the start date for the commission. I want this commission to be based on the number of units sold, so I will select per unit of measure, and I'll select case. Since this isn't a tiered commission, I'll keep the value type set to specific and enter 3 as the amount agents will receive for each case sold. I'll select a posting group and keep the default requirements from the setup. Now I'll assign the customers, items, and agents the commission applies to. I want the commission to apply to all customers, and to apply to items that have the sausage item commission group, and to apply to agents with the Retailer's Agent Commission Code. In order for a commission to work, at least one customer, item, and agent must be assigned to the commission. To activate the commission, I'll set its status to active. I've also created another commission based on tiered sales amounts. This one uses the percentage of sales amount calculation with the tiered value type.
When I look at the tiers, if sales are $1,000 or lower, the agent will earn a 3% commission, and if sales go above $1,000, then the commission is 5%.
And this commission is assigned to the wholesaler's agent group. Now that the sales commissions are set up, watch our video on how to work with sales commissions.